I've never been so bored. What's growing on Annie's face? My dad's mustache isn't even that thick. Nothing a little tape can't fix. Hold still. Now gimme those whiskers! May as well put them to good use. Once the color's on, it's time for the glue. Let's blow this thing up. First, fold it over the nozzle. Then start pumping. See? There you go. Just a few more little details. And it's done. Cute, right? I feel so used. Ew. Okay, class. Eyes up here. I have my own work to do. Now that she's off my back, I can do my own thing. Just call me Picasso. I hope I didn't miss too much. What are we drawing? I'd better get my supplies out. Always come prepared. Hey! No pencils, huh? Can I have one? Please? Huh? No way. Aw, no fair. Ew. All I have is tape. But that may be all I need. It's all about careful positioning. Easy. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Use scissors to cut the excess plastic. Now let's form the inside. Squishy! Come on, get in there. Perfect fit. Seal it with more plastic and get rid of the excess. Well done! But we're not quite done yet. This whole strip has to be colored in. Time to give this little guy a hug! Or wrap it all the way around. Cute! See this tiny square piece? We're gonna transform it. Fill her up. Come on, keep going. There! A perfect circle! Also known as the pit of the avocado. It could use to be a bit friendlier. Mission accomplished. Isn't it cute? Love you! Hey! Look! Oh. Pencils down, class. Over here. Huh? She made that? Mine's still okay, right? I tried. Wow. Nicely done, Annie. Yeah, what she said. What are the primary colors again? What is she doing over there? Is she serious? Psst. Huh? What is it? My foot? Oh, sorry. Is green considered primary? Oh, come on! Betty! Huh? Your nails! Oh, they're still okay. Jeez. Wait, red is primary, right? Or pink. This girl can't be serious! I simply can't take anymore! Enough! What? I'm stopping, okay? My anxiety is mounting, people! But maybe I can fix this. Brilliant! See this tape? Fold it, sticky side in, and pop a stress ball inside. Add a smaller version on top. Then come the polka dots. It's a ladybug, see? It even has antenna. All done and ready for squeezing. Yes! Hey! Over here! Huh? What is this? For your fidgeting, silly. Oh! It's so squishy. And oh so satisfying. Wow. Thanks. No, thank you. Actually, yes. Thank me. These tights are too small for me, so some repurposing is in order. And if you like dolls, the trick's for you. Tie the waist and legs closed. Now you're left with this cushion. Add a small pillow up top. Comfy, Barbie? This ought to keep you warm. A special bed made just for you. Sleep tight. Yay! What's all that noise? Ugh, Betty's rocking out again? Ugh.
Yeah, louder, louder, Betty! Rock on!
My Barbie's sleeping! Stop! Give me that thing! No respect! Hey, that's mine! Gimme! She's mine! And this pretty dress is about to get really ugly! That's her favorite one! How does this feel? Oh, yeah? Ha! Ha! Ugh! There! Ugh! How do you like that? This redesign is totally hideous. Just look at it. Total trash. Some sugar will calm me down. Strawberry. Ugh. What is she doing now? A cupcake? And look at that wrapper. I have a brilliant idea. Can I borrow this?
Yes!
Ugh, so much slobber. So disgusting. Here you go. I'm only interested in this. I think I can use it. Kiss those tattered threads goodbye. An upgrade is coming in hot. It fits perfectly in your shape. But it needs embellishments. Aren't these pearls sweet? It's wrapper time! Much better. Cut it so it fans open. Then start at the ankles and move up. Wow, pretty! A custom-made dress! Isn't it fabulous? So chic! Whoa! I want a cute outfit like that. I bet I can think of something. Hold on. What about this trash bag? Let's work some magic. There's so much material. Ready, Barbie?
Yay!
Slide on in. Comfy, huh? Now bring it all together here. And cinch it at the waist. A rubber band should do the trick. Then pull the fabric down. Now we have some cutting to do. Ready? Start at the bottom, moving upward. Hello, tears! See these old poppers? We just need 2. Add some black underneath. And it becomes a cute new top. And let's add some pearls. So gorgeous! You like? How cool is this? Wow! I'm such a good designer. Uh-huh. Whoa! You made that? Oh yeah, no big deal. Wanna play? I don't think so. Fine. On second thought… Awesome! I'm digging the all black. I wish we had somewhere fun to go. Me too. Why don't we get a little sun? Oh no! The sand's too hot! She needs shoes. It's okay. Help is on the way. And it's pink. You can't be barefoot forever. Now hold still. Next comes a cute heel. They have to be pink too. They're so cute already. There! The bottoms are done. Now for the tops of your feet. How about a strappy number? So cute! They really make the outfit pop, don't you think? Yay! You are looking so fabulous. Let's take these for a test drive. So, how do they feel?
What's up?
I'm doing great.
Oh yeah? Where'd you get those shoes?
Wow.
I'm coming! Ah! That hurts! Oh, this is bad!
You can say that again. This thing's huge.
Ugh!
Hey! I got this. You just need some protection. See this? It's the perfect size for your foot. See? Slides right on. Use clear nail polish on top. Very nice. Time for the heel. Now slide off the hardened coat. Now let's decorate this thing. Black is the only way to go. Very fashion-forward. Plus, they totally match your dress. See what I mean? Gorgeous! Time for a stroll.
Wow! Love the boots!
You sure can do a lot with tape. Which idea was your favorite? Let us know in the comments and be sure to like and follow our channel for more. Like and subscribe for more great videos.
So cute! Whoa! This is the one! Mom, look at this! I want it, Mommy!
Huh? No!
Aw, this is unfair! I want a kitty!
I've got something for you.
Whoa! A cat! This is the best day ever! I love it! What? Are you kidding me? Oh, Butler!
Yes, ma'am.
I want the cat!
Leave it to me. I'll take that.
Hey! My cat! So it's like that, huh? Nah. I got a home for my kitty. Check this out. Pretty good, huh? It's got everything a cat could want. I know what to do. I'm pretty happy with that. It might not be fancy, but it's still a home. I'm sure my kitty will love it. Yeah, right. We all know my house is the best. Come on! Wow, look at this! It's a bubble contest!
Isn't it amazing? I could do this all day.
I feel so alive.
Huh. I've seen better.
Hey, look what I've got! It makes so many bubbles!
Whoa! Is this really happening?
Wow! It's so magical!
Hold up. This is interesting. I'm impressed.
What the… this might be a problem.
Now that's embarrassing! Are you seeing this?
Look! Are you for real? No points! What a disappointment! You should be ashamed!
But… I tried my best! Maybe I can help. Oh, I need these straws. Let's get to work. I'll cut the straws into pieces. I need to stick them together. Just like this. Now I can roll them up. I want to make a large circle. Next, I'll cut a section from a soda bottle. I'll place this around the straws. Then I can glue a stick to it. I think it's ready. This is for you. Wow! Really? I'll dip it into bubble mix. Let's try it out. It's working! I'm making bubbles!
Whoa! She's a bubble genius! Keep them coming!
I want to pop them all. Oh, this is blowing my mind. I can't believe my eyes. 10 points! Outstanding work! You win! You deserve this!
Thank you!
Bravo!
You should have this. Wow, I don't believe it! Pretty smart, huh?
Girl, look at your hair. I'll contact my stylist.
Ready to do this? Let's go! I'm looking forward to this. Mom will be so surprised. This is so much fun! Our work here is done. Let's show them. Mommy?
Mommy's busy. Very nice, dear. Wait! That's my hair!
Huh? Ah!
We can't let this happen again! This is for you. This'll keep you busy.
Whoa! We got toys! This is my lucky day. I can't wait to try it out. Whoa, it's like hair. I better cut it. Off it comes. This look will really suit you. Hey, what do you think? It's great, isn't it? Wow, nice. But look what I've got. This hair is too long. It's gotta go. Wow, this is amazing! Put it there! We should start a salon! What phone should I use? Gold or silver? This is so squishy. I can squeeze it all day.
Surprise!
Whoa! Gimme! Hand them over, Mom! Wow, I love them! Great! I have an idea. I'll need some confetti. I'll sprinkle it into the toy. Then, pop! That was better than I imagined! What was that? I'm done with this toy. Wait a second. I've got an idea. I've got everything I need. I'll pour dish soap to a jug. Then I'll add paint. I'll go for yellow. Now I have to mix it up. It's so bright and colorful. That should do it. Now I need the glove finger. I'll pour the mixture into the glove. I'll fill it all the way up. Then I'll put a rubber band on it. I'll put this to one side. Next, I'll cut out this drawing. I'll place it around the glove finger. I'll press the finger into it. I can put the top on. Here goes! Whoa! Did you see that? Hang on. It's missing one thing. I need confetti. Where am I gonna get it? Aha! I know! Woohoo! This is great! It's raining confetti! It doesn't get better than this! This is my chance! I need to catch the confetti! Keep it coming! I think I got it all. I'll add it to my squishy. Okay, let's try it out. Whoa! Here it comes! It's perfect! Look at all the colors! It's so pretty! Wow, that's awesome! You know what to do! Pop, pop, pop! This is so boring. I wish there was something else to do. Butler, get in here! I want a new toy. I've got Mom's credit card.
Leave it to me. Just tap it. That's fine. I've got your toy here. Have fun.
Wow! This is just what I want! It's so much fun! Look at the dimples! It doesn't get better than this. It's okay, I guess. I'm done with this. Huh, I know. Hey, over here! Is that for me? This better not be a prank! Whoa! I'm getting emotional! Take that! And that! This is fantastic! She's easily pleased. Butler!
What is it now?
I want more toys! And it needs to be big! Huge! What are you waiting for?
You know what to do.
I could get used to this. Huh? What the?
Looks like we're done here. See ya!
What? Wait! This isn't fair! Life is so cruel! Huh? What's all the noise? You can take this. I don't want it. Okay. How about my poppet? No! No way! I want a huge toy! Wow. Tough crowd. I can fix this. I'll need a piece of cardboard. I'll punch holes in it. That felt good. Wait, I'm gonna sneeze. Whoa, how did I do that? I'm not complaining. What are you doing? You look so funny. I'm not done yet. I need a circle of foam. I'll make a cut in it. I won't go all the way across. That looks right. Now I'll join the edges together. I'll glue them in place. It's like a dimple. This can go into the cardboard. I'll place it over the hole, just like this. I'll do the same with the other holes. I'll make sure they're secure. I don't want them falling off. This is the last one. There's one more thing to do. I need a green leaf. It looks like a pineapple. What do you think? Give it a try. Oh, it's a giant puppet! It's exactly what I need. That feels so good. I can't believe you did this. That's why we're besties. Bring it in. Oh, okay.
Like and subscribe for more great videos.
This is gonna be so much fun. I'll put the squishy unicorn into the jar. And then it's time to puff it up. Whoa, look at that. Now it's time to fill it. I'll start with these Orbeez. And then I'll add glitter. This is gonna be so colorful. You can never have enough sparkle. This penguin can go in. Oh, I know. I definitely need some slime. It's so stretchy and gooey. Air pods are always a good idea. And I'll put shaving foam in. Wow! These toys are so squishy! I can squeeze it all day! Ooh, look at this! It's amazing! Wow, this book is great. I can't put it down. Having a unicorn would be the best. I wish I had one. Sup, little sis? Look what I've got. Hey! What is that? It's a magical magnet. Come and have a closer look. What are you doing? Give me that book! No! Stop it! Got it! Pretty cool, huh? You are blowing my mind! Wow! It works on anything, including little sisters. No! Don't! You wouldn't! Looks like I need some practice. Let's try that again. Don't resist. Seriously, Stacy, don't zap me! Please, don't do it! Stop! I'll tell Mom! I mean it! No! 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 Gotcha! How great is this? I feel so powerful. I want to try it. Hey, hands off. It's not for kids. I never get to have fun things. It's not fair. You're mean. Aw, now I feel bad. Hey, Mandy. What is it? Watch this. Wow, there's 2! You can have this. Oh, no.
Don't be like that. Go on, take it.
I don't want it. You can keep it.
I'm trying to be nice. I know. I'll stack the magnetic beads. I'll mix in some different colors. I'll use a plastic sheet to make some gaps. Then I'll keep going. Now I can remove these beads. And I'll add some eyes. Now for the next part. I'll build up the layers. This is gonna be the body. This is so much fun. I'll connect these sections together. I'll place this metal bar across the body. Now I'll make a long tube. I'll place the head on and then the arms. I'm pretty happy with that. Hey, Mandy! Woo! Is that for me? I love it! Thanks! I knew you would. I thought we could play it together. But I want you to stay! We'll still be besties. I need to go. I miss you already. Why does she have to go? We did everything together. I miss her so much. Look at us. We were so happy together. I see her face everywhere. My heart feels so empty. Life is so unfair. There was so much joy and happiness. I'm finished! It's perfect! I'm getting dizzy. Catch, Mandy! This is the best day ever! Those memories will last a lifetime. Wait! I know! I need a sheet of aluminum foil. I'll roll it into a small strip. I want it to resemble a wire. I'll shape it into a figure and I'll bend it slightly. Now I need modeling clay. This is gonna be the head. Now I'll make the arms. I just need to soften the clay. Then slip it over the frame. It's so easy. That's one leg done. Now for the other. All that's left to do is the body. I'll need a big piece of clay for this. Now I can smooth it out. Once that's done, I can add the smaller details. Like eyes. I'll use paint for the other eye. Once the white paint is dry, I'll put a small dab of black paint on it. Now I'll paint a mouth. What a lovely smile! This is turning out well. And now for the crown. I think it's ready. Look what I made, Stacy! I just need one more thing. But I'll need red clay for this. This is the most important part. The heart! Aw, it's so cute! It could go right here. I just want my friend back! Aw, it didn't work. Wait, where did it go? It was right here! What? Who's there? Whoa, I don't believe friend! I wish this class was over. Yeah, I know. Blah, blah, blah. I can't keep my eyes open. Don't. You'll make me sleepy. It's very interesting, you see. I just want to go to bed. It would be more fun than this class. Now if you… Oh, sorry about that. I can beat that. Oh, I needed that. You've not seen anything yet. Stop yawning. Oh, I mean it. Hey, pay attention. Oops. I mean, I wasn't doing anything. Sorry. I won't have it in my class. Let's continue with the lesson. Pay attention. This is important. Wanna have some fun? Come on. You know you want to. You're on. Let's do this. You won't beat me. You were saying? Aw, come on. This is it. I knew it! You cheated! Okay, you win. Look at this. Thanks. This'll help pass the time. Anything's better than schoolwork. I don't know. What's wrong with it? It's for kids. I'm gonna do something fun. Like painting my nails. This is more like it. Fine, I'll play with this modeling clay. Hang on. I know what to do. I'll flatten a small piece of clay. Then I need a long thin strip. I'll wrap it around the small piece. Now I'll smooth it out. I'll add 2 arms, and then 2 white discs of clay. These will be the eyes. I'll use a pen to draw them. I'll make some more characters from clay. They look great! Hey. Wow. Now I'll fix them to my nails. That's so funny! Wait, what is that? I'm so jealous. Yeah, I knew you'd be. But wait until you see these. Oh, can I have one? There you go. It's adorable. Look, I can do that face too. Now this is fun. I wish school was like this all the time. What's all the noise? What are you doing? Is that… Whoa! That's so cool! With a little imagination and creativity, you can create your favorite characters. We hope we've inspired you. What was your favorite craft? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great videos just like this one. Oh yeah! Look at it go! Now for the other side. Just a little more. It was for sure the funniest episode! Huh. Wonder where he's going. Oh my gosh! Yes! What's going on? Oh! Look! A puppet party! Let's go! Whoa! Your puppet is so cute! I've got mine too, so let's go! Oh. There's a bouncer. And there's no food or drink allowed. But our candy! What are we gonna do? I really wanted to go to that party! Hey! I think we can go and have our candy too! Look! We can just take your Poppet phone case. And I'll put a picture of a camera lens here. Then we can fill it with Skittles. 1 piece in each of the Poppet holes. Gotta maximize our candy stashing. And now for the chocolate. I melted it, so it will pour easily. I'll just drip it all over the Skittles. Great! That looks perfect! It's set, which means it's ready! It looks like a regular phone! Nice! You're so clever! Alright, let's go! You can go in. Didn't you see the sign? No food or drink allowed. Go on, get out of here. I've got my Poppet! Go on in. Huh. I've never seen a Poppet phone case before. It's cool. Have fun at the party. Looks like there's no one around. Time for my Jumbo Poppet! Whoa! There's so many Poppets in here! Come on and help us do this big one! Best party ever! We win the stacking contest! You wanna trade? Okay. Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Snack time! Ta-da! It's ready for us! The poppet case just peels right off. It's like a homemade candy bar. It's delicious! Have some! Hey everyone! We snuck in candy! Come have some with us! Alright, the silverware is perfect. Now for my lunch. Hey, is it okay if I sit there? Do what you want. I love fries so much! They're my favorite! Ugh, ridiculous. I have to take enough photos for my Insta. Whoa, smart! I should do that too! Oh, right. I have a janky old phone. Guess I'll just eat my food instead of photographing it. Ugh. Just need to get this angle. Ugh. It's not working. It's no use. Hey, do you think you could help me? Me? Sure thing! I'm happy to help. Let me just grab your phone. Just trying not to get grease on your screen. Oh, I dropped it! I got it! Oh my gosh, that was a close one! Phew! She didn't even notice. Huh. There's a spider right there. I think I have an idea! I'm gonna need a phone, a 3D pen, and a regular marker. I'll start by making loops around the marker with the 3D pen. Then I'll slide the loops off. Good. Now for the 3D pen again. I'll draw a line to this corner. And now to draw more, like a spider web. All while keeping the loops vertical. Excellent. Now for some more lines for decoration. This is gonna be a great-looking spider web. Done! Spiders are amazing, and so am I! Ooh, let's do some on the edge, too. Now for some glitter! You can never go wrong with some added sparkle. It's done! The loops work like a ring. Now I don't have to worry about dropping her phone again. Ooh, these are great pictures! Okay, I'll take my phone back now. What did you do to it? Huh. I kinda like it. Thanks. You're alright. You're welcome! This lunch turned out to be a lot of fun! Hey! How's it going? Look what I've got! No way! When did you get that? Just this morning. It's purple and everything. Wow! I'm pretty jealous. I wish I had a new pretty phone. But wait! I don't need a new phone. I've got a pretty case! Cases, actually. I have more than one. Okay, I guess that's something. Well, I think I've got even more. I just really love this new color. Well, look at all my colored cases! They're cool, but still not cooler than my purple phone. What? Well, you've given me no choice. What are you even talking about? So be it! All my cases! Whoa! There's so many of them! There! See? Cases are pretty too! Wow! I'm really impressed! Well, now I'm kinda bummed out about my new phone. Oh! I just got a genius idea! I'll take this straw and close the end with a flat iron. There we go. Now for the next part. I'll use this little syringe to fill the straw with colored liquid. Perfect! Just like that with a little extra space. Now I'll close this end too. Now I just need this clear phone case. I'll cover it with glue from a glue stick. Good. Now to stick on the straw. I made a bunch with different colors. I fit them all on the case. It's looking great! Check out my new case! It's got bubbles that move. Whoa! I've never seen one like that before! Me and my colorful phone case? We'll see you later. Aw, man! I'm back to being jealous. Oh, what a long day! I can't wait to get some sleep. Just gotta get comfortable. Maybe if I lay on this side. Ugh! It's too bright! I just want to get some sleep! There, that's better. Why is this pillow so uncomfortable? This is ridiculous! Does the whole world hate me? I'll stick a leg out. That'll cool me off. But what about monsters under the bed? Better keep my leg up here. I guess I'm just not gonna get a good night's sleep. And of course, now I'm cold. Maybe this position? Or like this? Ugh! I hate my bed! This night is the worst! What is it? Why are you screaming? Hey, an egg! That gives me a great idea! I'll start with a phone case and a glue gun. I'll draw a circle of glue in the middle. And now I'll paint it with white nail polish. Great! Now I'll wait for it to dry. For the next step, I'll need a yellow balloon. I'll just cut the top off. And then I'll put a ball of slime inside it. Just like that. And now to put it on the phone. It's squishy! There! It looks like an egg on my phone case. Oh, the squish is so relaxing. Wow. Now I'm nice and sleepy. Eggs! Is there anything they can't do? Which of these DIYs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel's page for more great videos like this one. Like and subscribe for more great videos.